Due to the continuous rise in oil prices, domestic Huawei has finally taken action and launched its first stunning coupe, which has a magnificent appearance with Rolls-Royce-like butterfly doors. The interior is even more luxurious, equipped with a solar charging system as a standard feature, allowing the car to be charged while running. With just half an hour of charging, it can achieve a range of over 1,500 kilometers. Today, let's take a look at how much the 2023 model of the Alpha can be obtained. Currently, the comprehensive discount for the new car won't exceed 200,000 yuan. Do you think Tesla still has advantages? The Alpha T from Jihu and the Tesla Model Y are both popular models in the price range of 300,000 yuan. With keywords such as foreign brand and technological pioneer, the Model Y has been highly acclaimed since its release, showing great potential to become the benchmark in its class. However, this does not mean that the Model Y has no competitors. In the field of electric vehicles, our domestic brands have caught up, and the Alpha T is a typical representative. Its high intelligence interaction and premium quality are competitive, and its driving performance is also impressive. So, the question is, which one should you choose, the Alpha T or the Model Y? Currently, most of the new energy vehicle models on the market have a futuristic and avant-garde design, but there are not many that have a high level of sophistication and give a sense of luxury. The exterior design of the Alpha T is personally crafted by the world-renowned legendary automotive designer Walter de Silva, who adopts the boundaryless family design concept, bringing innovative artistic touches. The overall front of the Alpha T is based on an X shape, symbolizing the challenge to boundaries. The closed front grille design creates a simple and stylish visual effect. The daytime running lights, inspired by Arctic terns, harmonize with the lines of the cabin, making it highly recognizable. The Model Y still follows the minimalist design principles of the Tesla family, and although it has a high level of recognition, it lacks the pioneering personality of the Tesla brand. It gives a somewhat familiar feeling of Model 3 Plus without any impressive highlights. If we say that the two cars have their own merits in terms of exterior design, then in terms of interior texture, the Alpha T has an absolute advantage, both in terms of user-friendly design and material craftsmanship, surpassing the cost-saving approach of the Tesla Model Y. In contrast, the interior design of the Tesla Model Y is no surprise, still following the one screen controls everything principle. It must be said that this design does achieve a minimalist visual effect, removing many physical buttons and making the center console look very refreshing. However, in terms of materials and workmanship, I really cannot compliment it. It is indeed disappointing to see such interior craftsmanship in a 300,000 yuan level car, and this is also the most criticized aspect by most consumers. In the current automotive market, we have formed the inherent impression that new energy vehicles are synonymous with intelligent vehicles. Without some cutting-edge technology, it is difficult to establish a foothold in the new energy market. In terms of intelligent interaction, Tesla seems to have always been excellent. However, when we further understand the Alpha T, you will find that independent brands have undeniable strength in terms of intelligent configurations. The Alpha T is equipped with a 360-degree transparent chassis parking camera system, which can recognize 4 types of parking spaces: parallel parking, perpendicular parking, angled parking, and horizontal parking. It can achieve automatic parking and supports the industry's first front parking function. It also supports functions such as parking using a mobile app and AR obstacle recognition. Even novice drivers do not have to worry about parking, and these configurations are not available in the Tesla Model Y. In addition to its autonomous driving capabilities, the voice interaction function of the Alpha T is also impressive. It not only supports user-defined wake-up words but also has excellent speed and accuracy in natural voice recognition. The seats of the Alpha T are made of Napa leather and feature a blue-white dual-color design with cut-and-sewn French-style double-stitching and laser pattern punching, providing exceptional comfort and support for both front and rear passengers, even during long trips. In comparison, the Tesla Model Y's integrated seats are not generous enough in terms of materials and are not friendly to rear passengers, with stiff padding and a relatively high seating position, resulting in a mediocre seating experience for the vehicle. Unlike traditional fuel vehicles, our domestic brands have the ability to compete head-on with foreign brands in the 300,000 yuan level new energy market. Whether in terms of design or the vehicle's intelligence and technological configurations, the performance of the Alpha T is not inferior to the Model Y. Moreover, in terms of overall luxury and user-friendly design, the Alpha T is even more outstanding. With the same price, the Alpha T can bring superior quality of life to owners and their families, while also demonstrating our sincere commitment. Is Huawei getting into the car manufacturing industry? What's the truth behind it? Observant friends may notice that we put quotation marks around making cars for Huawei. That's because Huawei is not involved in complete vehicle manufacturing or traditional car factory construction. In fact, Huawei is providing services for car manufacturing. Huawei has positioned itself as an intelligent automotive incremental component supplier and is partnering with car manufacturers under the Huawei Inside model to create high-quality intelligent vehicles. This includes a new intelligent vehicle digital architecture, 5 intelligent systems, and over 30 intelligent components. In simple terms, Huawei is a supplier of automotive software and hardware, combining its technological advantages with the manufacturing capabilities of car manufacturers to create car products with Huawei functions and services. Although Huawei is not directly involved in car manufacturing, the Haikan Alpha S Huawei H edition relies on Huawei's software and hardware technology, so it can be regarded as Huawei's first car. Some say that Huawei's new technologies are particularly advanced and even surpassing others. Is that true? Let's take a closer look. One of the highlights of the new car is the installation of Huawei's MDC810 intelligent driving computing platform, which has already been mass-produced and is currently the most powerful computing platform in the industry, capable of handling advanced autonomous driving applications such as congestion following, highway cruising, and automatic parking. Furthermore, Huawei has also addressed the issue of range anxiety and introduced the industry's highest integrated intelligent vehicle thermal management solution, which can improve the vehicle's range by 20%. Whether these latest technologies from Huawei can surpass others is hard to say, but as the saying goes, having technology is not difficult, achieving effective results is. At least from the test results of this vehicle, the performance of autonomous driving has gained recognition from both the industry and the public. The excellent autonomous driving capabilities undoubtedly capture attention for Huawei's new car. From the tests, it is clear that Huawei's autonomous driving technology can handle complex urban road conditions as well as crowded narrow roads with pedestrians and electric bicycles. Many netizens even refer to it as a mass-produced L4 level highly autonomous driving car. Although the test results are promising, we shouldn't expect too much in terms of actual implementation. This is due to legal regulations and road rules, as consumers in the short term can only experience advanced Level 2 assisted driving. It should be noted that the definition of rights and responsibilities for Level 3 autonomous driving is still unclear, and some functionalities cannot be used on the roads. To truly experience hands-free driving, we may have to wait a little longer. Not only netizens, but even Huawei's vice chairman and acting chairman Xu Zhijun recently challenged Tesla, confidently stating that Huawei's autonomous driving is much better than Tesla's. Let's be honest, such a controversial topic can argue for days online without reaching a conclusion. To determine who is better, extensive test data and on-road data from mass-produced vehicles are needed as a basis for making a fair judgment. It is still too early to divide and rank them. Netizens don't need to fiercely support one side or another, we can wait and see for a while. But to be frank, Huawei officially entering the field of autonomous driving has shaken up the entire new energy vehicle industry landscape. Whether it's Tesla or other car manufacturers, they all need to work harder.